Hi everyone, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Purple Rain, written and performed by the late great Prince and his band The Revolution. Purple Rain was the title track from his 1984 soundtrack album of the same name. It reached number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, this great song has only 4 very, very easy chords to play in it. Let's have a look at them now. First chord, G major. There's an E minor, a D, and a C add 9. So look again, G major, E minor, a D, and a C add 9. That's it. Those 4 chords through the entire song. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and some strumming. Okay, so for the purposes of my guitar tutorial and cover, I'm using a capo on the 1st fret. Keep that in mind when you're playing along with me. Now, the strumming is a very, very easy strum to this. It's nice and slow. The song, after all, is a ballad. It starts on the G major chord. Let's have a look. Here we go. Never meant to cause you any sorrow. Never meant to cause you any pain. Only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in that purple rain. There you have it. That's it. That's the strumming and the chord progression through the entire song. Okay, so you know the routine. Now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Never meant to cause you any sorrow. Never meant to cause you any pain. Only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you laughing in that purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only want to see you bathing in that purple rain. Never wanted to be your weekend lover. Only wanted to be some kind of friend. Baby, I can never steal you from another. Such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. It's time we reach out for something new. That means you too. You say you want to lead her, you can't seem to make it feel right. You better close it. Let me guide you to the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I don't wanna see you. I only wanna see you. I don't wanna see you in the purple rain. And there you have it, Purple Rain, written and performed by Prince and his band, The Revolution. Thanks for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.